Got a new rug. Pumpkin rug. So the kitties can be festive. This kitty's been here for days now. And nights. It hasn't ever left. It's been sitting here. So I gotta use this roller and try to get some of this hair off. Shedding. But I did see Mocha this morning. She came to eat, and Gretchen is right here. Hi, Gretchen. You're a good kitty. Busy hunting all day, and now you're tired and you can rest. So I've been giving them the, what is this kind? Tender Centers. I think it's by Meow Mix. But this one likes it. He has a hard time eating. He or she, I don't know what it is. I don't know why. It's kind of shy. It doesn't want too much. It does let me pet it though. Hi. Hi, kitty. Want your water? Yeah, so got a new rug. Something's been eating my hostas. And there's Gretchen. Hi, kitty. You're a good kitty, Gretchen. Alright, that's it for today. Say bye, Gretchen. Bye.